No coffee. Water.
Oh yeah, I won't order coffee. I'm gonna get a colada.
I'm gonna start. Alright, so today welcome to retarded ass video. Yeah, another retarded ass video. Today we're just gonna ride, I guess. We're gonna go to Dunkin' first, like always. Because Gerardo's addicted.
Alright, fuck you, let's go. Yes! What are you talking about?
Nothing.
I hate you. You know what? Get your ass over here. Alright, bend over.
I learned this new trick, bro. Look, watch, ready? I can close my eyes and still ride. Oh yeah.
Don't do that close to me. I can do it as well. I can do it as well. Ellie, I can do it as well.
You flip. You flip out of nowhere.
We hit a car like
Oh,
do the trick, do the trick.
what trick? What?
Oh, goddammit.
Oh, Gerardo. Ooh.
This is the only trick I know how to do.
What kind of trick is that?
I don't know. Yeah. Fuck. Oh, I need to do a video on Elisa. Hey, the Elisa account. I'm doing it right now. Okay, that's the second time I said her name. Got diamonds in the sky. Hello.
The iced coffee?
Nah, not today. No more coffee. Colada.
Colada, what size?
Large strawberry.
Large strawberry colada?
It's still the same thing. It's same.
It's not
the same
coffee.
thing.
It's not coffee.
It's same. This is.
It's not coffee.
What we like?
Might as well just get
Huh?
water.
What flavor?
Strawberry. See, it's a fruit. It's healthy. Verse got diamonds in the sky. Ooh, how nice that looks. Oh shit, that song's stuck in my head now. Every time you say depression, you owe me $5. Even if any of you actually showed depression, you owe me $10.
I'm sad. You never said I'm upset.
That's right.
Anything that's depressing or sadness
that's
and it's
right.
not positivity, you owe me $20.
I'm positive. I'm positive.
I'm positively depressed. All right, let's go. Independence or athletic? Independence? Independence?
Yeah.
All right. I'm already crying. Oh shit, wait, come here, look.
What do you want? Hell no.
Come on.
No, let's go.
Let's go.
Right when
Why'd you
said-
fall?
Because look, I was looking at the bike, right?
Yeah?
And I was like, alright. And then
Jose, you can't do it. Jose, you can't. What the?
your train.
Okay.
This is what you need.
This one should be cool. Imagine if you like.
This is number 135. Gerardo's chain falling.
What the fuck?
137.
Dude, your chain is garbage.
You can't be talking.
This?
Like a sexy pose. Those sexy pose.
Just be retarded.
Pump me up. Don't push me. Like we're holding each other or something.
You hear the echo.
Hurry. Okay, that's good. That's good.
No, I got to pick another one.
Okay. No. You coming with me? No,
No, actually, that was bad.
Alright, just like we're all holding each other. Oh shit. Alright, retarded. Alright. I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump.
You won't jump.
I won't jump. What's the shit? Hell no. I feel safe now.
Yeah, me too.
All right, let's go. Yeah. Let's go back on top of there and end it. No, hell no.
All right.
All right, let's end it.
My hands are.
You don't notice I'm swimming into your face, man. Fuck.
Alright, guys. We'll see you guys in another vlog.
Gerardo's retarded channel.
Gerardo's retarded channel. We'll see you guys in.
Here, I'll end it. You know, I have not ended a video in such a long time.
Alright, end it. No, you end it.
Alright, this is the fucking end. I'm being choked out. What the fuck? Oh, I hate you for life. Guys. And cut. Putting more that new year, new us, new channel.
I actually think I have frostbite.
Me too, bro.
If you had frostbite, your fingers would be like blue. Oh shit! Wait, no, Jose! Wait, stop! Oh, fuck you! Oh my god! I'm scared. Fact it quick. Take a hit! Love becoming more retarded. Gotta get that nicotine. Oh, I was gonna say Elisa so many times. I completely forgot. Well, I said it a few times in the video. Elisa. I'm not gonna count how many times I said that. But okay.